The Paris Olympics may be the first limited Jordan 4 of the year. Let's talk about stock, everywhere you can buy these, and how you can get early pairs. Before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It does help a lot. Starting off, the Jordan 4 Paris Olympics are set to release on July 27th with a retail price of $225 for men's and $170 for GS. We will cover sneaker stock later in this video. Now, these will be dropping early on JD Sports and Finish Line in the form of EA. Wednesday, July 24th should be the in-store exclusive access at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Thursday, July 25th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time should be the ship to me access. It's expected that these will be 2,000 status points for men and 1,000 status points for the GS. Now keep in mind, JD Sports and Finish Line is always switching up how much status points you need. Now if you do manage to get exclusive access, make sure you use your discounts. Have those extra status points to redeem them. That's what I always do because who doesn't love a $20 discount on their new shoes? Now if your account doesn't get exclusive access, don't worry. They're also dropping on July 27th, first come first serve at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on their website and app. Another place where you can use rewards is actually Hibbett. They're going to be doing an in-app raffle, which will probably start at the end of this week or the start of next, so make sure you're in and enter every single store on your map. Now, if there's no stores carrying them around you at Hibbett, don't worry, there's a huge solution online, the Hibbett method. The Hibbett method gives you a massive advantage over others because of how quick it is. If you use the Hibbett method correctly, it makes manual checkouts very easy so you can secure your pair without paying resale. Now, if you're confused, what is the Hibbett method? Don't worry, Kicked has you covered. We have a full guide for this, and we're gonna have a voice chat the night before drop, which is Friday, going over how to exactly use this. Foot Locker will also load a raffle. If you are still entering on Foot Locker, make sure you use all the head starts. I personally do not enter at Foot Locker anymore. I love getting discounts on my shoes, so I'm going to places that I know I can get that for sure discount. This raffle will open up over the next couple of days. Shoe Palace will be doing an in-store raffle on Tuesday, July 23rd. What you have to do is you go in, you give them all your information. If you do win, they call you up, say, hey, you won. When you go back in to pick your pairs up, make sure you have your ID. If you don't, sometimes they're petty and they won't let you take the shoe. Local sneaker boutiques in your area will also have these, so be checking around on their social medias. And no, DSG will not be carrying these. Now here's a way to get early pairs that doesn't include exclusive access. We saw the retailer Oneness Boutique drop on the shop app early pairs last week. Members within Kicked have already got their pairs in hand and they're selling them early for the high because, you know, it's an early pair. Now, if you have access to both Shop and Shopify monitors, I'd be checking over the next couple of days. These retailers really want to sell their stock, so they're not left with them sitting on their shelves. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see more of them drop early before drop date next week on the 27th. Now on to sneakers and what we expect stock to be. Once again, these are dropping on Saturday, July 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are loaded up as a Leo on sneakers, so if you take an L in your size, go back in for another size. If you don't know what a Leo is, it basically just gives you 2 to 3 minutes to enter a drop. Stock currently loaded is less than 80,000 pairs. Now keep in mind, this number can change a lot between now and drop day. If you want full access to these stock numbers no matter how many times they change, Kicked has you covered. If you manage to grab the early pairs hitting monitors, I would sell now and make the easy cash. People love convenience and they don't want to have to worry about it on drop day. The market is looking very good on these early pairs. Even though they're duped as the poor man's cause, it's not going to stop people from wearing them. Overall, the Paris Olympic Jordan 4s are a great addition to your collection, and I think this drop is going to be a lot of fun. I think it's going to bring some spark back into the sneaker world because it's been pretty slow. Thank you all so much for being here today. If you need full access to Shopify monitors, stock numbers, and full guided one-on-one support by me and the Kick team, there's going to be some links down below. We'd love to have you guys on the team, and we're going to show you exactly how to hit pairs for retail, not only on this drop, but every single drop coming up for this year. And if you were wondering this whole time, what is Nice and Bright? It's actually Project X. I know it's been a while since I made a video, so we did launch our own coffee company. That's exactly what this is. There'll be some links to this down below too. If you want to try, you can use the discount code KICK to get yourself 10% off. But that'll be it for today. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.